With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question given is M and N are points of trisection of a diagonal BD of a parallelogram ABCD. Prove that CN is parallel to AM. So in this question, first of all we have a parallelogram that is ABCD. Suppose this is a parallelogram ABCD. If this is a parallelogram ABCD and it is given that AM and AN are the trisection of diagonal BD. So if I name this parallelogram, this will be A, B, this will be C, and this will be D. Now BD is a diagonal, so this will be the diagonal here. This is our diagonal. Now it is saying that M and N are the trisection point of a diagonal BC. So from here I can say that if this is a trisection point, it will be something like this. Now another trisection will be something like this and this. Now let's try to draw one more diagonal of this, that is AC. One more diagonal will be AC. So if I draw one more diagonal AC, then it will look like this somewhere. So now this is what the given to us. Now let's name the remaining parts, that is this is given us to be N, this is N, this is M, this is O. Now we have this diagram is given. Now it is saying prove that CN is parallel to AM. So we have to prove CN is parallel to AM. This is AM and this is CN. Now if this is so, we know that first of all we know that diagonal of a parallelogram, diagonals of a parallelogram bisects each other. Now with this condition, if a diagonal of a parallelogram bisects each other, then OD will be equal to OB and OA will be equal to OC. So OA will be equal to OC and OD will be equal to OB, because diagonals are bisecting each other in equal form. Since now we know that since M and N are points of trisections, So if M and N are points of trisection, now I can say that if M and N are point of trisections, I can say that if M and N are the point of trisection, then it will be BM is equal to MN, BM is equal to MN, and N is equal to ND, because these are dividing into the equal three parts. These are the equal three parts. Now let's try to write this. That is BM is equal to MN and MN is equal to ND. Now we have this. Now if this is so, also OB will be equal to OD. We already know that. We have find out here. OB is equal to OD. From here we are taking OB is equal to OD. If OB is equal to OD, then and BM is equal to NM. Now from here, if I subtract BM from this both, I can subtract any from this. So if I subtract BM from both side, I will get OD minus BM. OD minus BM will be equal to OD minus BM. We can do that. So from here we know that BM is equal to ND. If BM is equal to ND, then OB minus BM will be equal to OD minus ND. ND is given here. So OB minus BM, let's check out. OB is this, from here to here is OB, and we are subtracting BM. So we are left with OM. So here we are getting OM. So OM will be equal to OD minus ND. Now let's check out OD minus ND. OD is this, we are subtracting ND. So we are left with ON. So here we are left with OM is equal to ON. So if ON is equal to OM, and we know that from here OA is equal to OC, OA is equal to OC, this is the both things we know that. If this is so, if OM is equal to ON, this part is equal to this part, and OA is equal to OC, then you can clearly see, if I write it clearly for you, A, N, C, M, a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram in which diagonals are bisects each other. So if the diagonals are bisecting equally each other, with this condition we can say that A and CM is a parallelogram. If A and CM is a parallelogram, then it is must that NC should be parallel to AM. Then NC should be parallel to AM. So it implies that, this condition is implying that, now this both two condition implies that AM CN is a parallelogram, which proves that AM is parallel to CN, and that is what we have to prove. Here is our answer. AM is parallel to CN. Hope you understand the question. Thank you so much, everyone.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.